Hey, what's going on everyone? Matthew from therighttrader.com back in with another cryptocurrency video. Today we're going to be taking a look at Polygon and its MATIC token. This is a crypto that is very institutionally backed. A lot of people like it as well. It allows for much cheaper fees as a layer 2 solution of the Ethereum network. And it's very fast, it has some of the cheapest fees. It has a lot of interesting things to offer. Currently at a market cap of $14 billion, almost 15 billion, and very quickly moving back towards its all-time high as of right now. It's been on a steady uptrend since its big pullback that we saw a few months back, and right now it's ranked 15 on coinmarketcap.com. So pretty nice rank right now. And this is definitely a coin that can move into the top 10 or stay within the top 15, which is any coin that's in the top 15 for the most part should see some pretty massive growth in the coming years. So for that reason, very, very bullish on it. Also, if you want to trade or invest in MATIC or any other cryptocurrency, make sure to check out our sponsor and new partner, Femex. Absolutely amazing exchange. I've been using them myself and absolutely loving them, especially for leveraged margin contract trading. They have a whole bunch of cryptos that you can do this on. And if you're interested in that, make sure to check them out. Link in the description. You can also check out my live trade videos for Femex. But absolutely amazing exchange. Huge amount of volume, which means you'll probably get some of the best prices. And, it has some of the cheapest fees in the cryptocurrency exchange market as a whole. So amazing platform. Check them out. Link in the description of this video. Now, Polygon just moved above $2, which has been, a bit of a resistance level previously, but now we moved above that. So that should be acting as some pretty strong support. At this point, I do expect it to move higher from here. We're going to be talking at a price target of around a year or so. And if we look at the total value lock, something that I always like to talk about when I look at these projects is, how much money is in the blockchain protocol. Right now for Polygon, it's about 5.55 billion, which is not as high as, something like Ethereum, Binance, Solana, or anything like that. But let me tell you the catch in that. Now, first off, one of the good things is that Polygon's total value locked has remained very steady around $5 billion, right? So we're not really moving below that. Doesn't really even seem possible. And now we're starting to slowly move back higher as well. But let me tell you where the catch comes into play, right? As of right now, you can see the projects that are on here. Has a large amount of fairly large amount of projects, but I'll tell you where, the real advantage comes, right? Compared to these other blockchains, which I like, Avalanche, Solana, Binance, I love all those blockchains, right? But here's the catch. Ethereum has by miles the most total value locked, right? We're almost back above $200 billion. We probably will be in a matter of a week or two in total value locked on Ethereum. Now, let me tell you where the catch comes into play, right? As more projects on Ethereum start bridging over to Polygon, right? And one of them that you're going to see in this video, I'm very happy to let you know and announce, is Uniswap, which means that, Uniswap that has $10 billion right now on Ethereum can easily port $1, 2, 3, $4 billion, almost instantly to Polygon when it starts integrating MATIC and the Polygon network. So basically, Ethereum, a lot of the money that's in Ethereum right now, or at least, let's say 30% of it, and in the future as well, can just directly port over to Polygon. And, that would probably mean tens of billions of dollars. That's why I've always been pretty bullish on calling, MATIC, having a market cap of around 30, 60, even $100 billion as being fully reasonable and feasible. Also, this is with a lot of institutional backing. A lot of companies are partnering with this layer 2 solution as well due to the cheap fees, etc. They're seeing it just a good opportunity to promote whatever their NFTs or whatnot. I won't go too much into technical details. Hopefully by now you all know what MATIC is. Layer 2 scaling solution with extremely low fees. Basically one of the biggest up and coming projects this year. Mark Cuban is invested in them. Other bits of really important news that I think all of you should be aware of. First off, Polygon's MATIC token jumps 16% in 24 hours after 21 shares ETP listing. Now, I know that some of you might not exactly know what that means. Basically, an ETP is sort of an ETF for MATIC. It tracks the price basically of MATIC, and this is on the European stock market. But As you can see here, good article. Are cryptocurrency markets repricing layer 2 tokens? The answer is absolutely yes, because a lot of these layer 2 solutions are starting to skyrocket as the fees on Ethereum are not really getting dealt with properly, right? And even mentions it here. Polygon and other major layer 2 scaling solutions that have been functioning well will get a lot of total UVAC moving their way, as I explained previously. So as you can see here, the new listing for the 21 shares ETP, which the company says is Europe's first product linked to MATIC's performance. So now people that are in the European stock market can directly invest in MATIC basically through this ETP, and that is also going to bring a lot of money. And that's just in Europe alone, right? We can see that start to happen with many other countries. So very, very good news there for MATIC. Absolutely amazing news, actually. Also, Polygon's expanding ecosystem backs MATIC's rise toward a new all-time high. This is exactly what we were talking about, those layer 2 solutions becoming more and more popular. And also, what I wanted to mention, ecosystem expansion. They also partnered with IDEX, which will be launching their DEX on Polygon. We're going to see much more of this start to come into play. Here you can see, Grayscale that's explored Trust for MATIC. The ETP that we talked about, actually several ones. And, also just the network has also benefited $20 million investment fund launched by Wintermute. So a lot of institutional backing, a lot of money coming into the project. Absolutely amazing to see. Increase in active users and wallets. This is what happens when you have a good platform with low fees. More people join it. And that's why I think a lot of money is going to be ported over to it from Ethereum specifically. Now, here is also one of the news that I was talking to you about, which I was very optimistic about, is the Uniswap migration to Polygon. This is actually something that was very recent, also caused the push higher for MATIC. And as you can see here, they had a proposal vote since, Uniswap has a governance token. Its owners and investors can vote on the network. And as you can see, Polygon thanked them because they got a massive 100% with 7.79 million Uniswap tokens that voted, but a 100% support vote yes for the migration of Uniswap, that will support layer 2 solution MATIC now. So this is a very, very, very big deal. Uniswap being the biggest, DEX basically right now as we speak. Now, 3 reasons why MATIC bull market is back on track. They just listed on Spain's largest crypto exchange, Bit2Me. They have the partnership with Macy's here for an NFT. And of course, the Uniswap news, just back-to-back partnerships, news, and integrations, which is exactly what we're talking about here. For this reason, and if you had watched my previous Polygon price prediction, which is exactly in line with everything I'm saying now, I just expect a further rise for Polygon MATIC. I feel right now even still is a pretty good buying opportunity, not financial advice. I will probably buy some myself at this price level. I already own some, and I think this is easily a crypto that's just going to move towards $30 billion in the next, honestly, 2 to 3 months, if I'm being honest. So probably we're going to see $5 by end of this year, beginning of next year, January or so, maybe February. And then, moving forward towards mid or end of next year, we could easily see $10 plus, I think, for Polygon, as it'll move towards a 50 billion plus market cap and really eventually a 100 billion plus market cap fairly easily as well. So very bullish on it. And of course, this is really going to be the place for Ethereum to succeed, is going to be through the layer 2 of MATIC. If you're interested in investing in any cryptocurrency, make sure to check out Femex, our sponsor. Amazing exchange, link in the description. Also check out my technical analysis master course, less than $20, comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. And finally, check out my Twitter for live cryptocurrency market updates. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Stay safe and have a great day. I'll see you next time.